enra mentie Samuel Abujina Paul, Dr. Stephen Amwasteka, and then Honorable Kojo Oponkuma on the floor of Parliament.
And I do so forcefully. I do so forcefully that 11 months into the NDC administration, their flagship program of 24-hour economy, 133 formula, 3 shifts for the unemployed Ghanaian youth, 8 hourly different. The only job that is 24-hour today that has 3 people doing the job is the office of the Speaker of Parliament.
Why are you trying to speak for 24 hours?
Mr. Speaker, you should only your job, that is 133. It's the only job that is 133. The office, the job of Speaker of Parliament is the job where you have Right Honorable Abin Babin do 1 shift, and you yourself, Mr. Speaker, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker do the 2nd shift, and the second Deputy Speaker does the 3rd shift. The only job in Ghana that is 133 is the job of the Speaker of Parliament. But that is not 24 hours, and that is not 8-hourly shift. You don't do 8-hourly shift, Mr. Speaker. This is another gimmickry. This is another deception. This is just to buy time. This is just to give false hope to the unemployed. You promise them employment. You promise them 24-hour economy. You promise them 133. 11 miles down the road, you have failed to deliver.
Ghanaians are enjoying what MPP government did. Stop lying to them. Can you calculate any of your contributions as a percentage of our GDP today? Tell us. We are tired of lies and the deception and the propaganda.
That's right.
I am not blaming you. You've not done anything. You are building your first year. You are doing rearrangement, calibration, and configuration. We agree, but you haven't done anything.
That's right.
NDC government has not done anything yet.
Right.
We are here to feel the impact of anything you are going to do. Stop lying to Ghanaians. What have you added to the economy? Tell me. What have you added? Ghanaians are enjoying what MPP government did. Stop lying to them. Can you calculate any of your contributions as a percentage of our GDP today? Tell us. We are tired of lies and the deception and the propaganda.
That's right.
I am not blaming you. You've not done anything. You are building your first year. You are doing rearrangement, calibration, and configuration. We agree, but you haven't done anything.
That's right.
NDC government has not done anything yet.
Right.
We are here to feel the impact of anything you are going to do. Stop lying to Ghanaians. What have you added to the economy? Tell me.
Listen to Kojo Oponkuma. Who tell Abujina Posa what? Nyansa ode kasa. Stephen Amwa. Kabiru num. Kojo Oponkuma. That is the difference. That is the difference. Mo no mo call parliament nko mo mu die no. Na what to no be catch say in 2028 MPP Dr. Bawumia dey asem na obenya aka. Look at what they are doing there. Me see young cross 2026 ending no. Na Ghana for no more. Asantemem ha ye kan. Ene omusi omuniska. So me interchange ye shasi ye na omu beto so awie no omu niska omu de beye. You see, NDC is very trickish. But omu benya ska aye Accra Kumasi Expressway, which is more expensive, more costly than some interchange, you know, because nefa kakra bi na wa santimemu. Nefa kakra bi na beba santimemu. Tiniema omu baye a asantimenya so mfa so bere no omu baye. Gowon sha se mfiri nkan ya mewura adwa so no. Kakra bi na wa santimemu. No mo abeka sha na tade de say ye de bibi ba santimemu na ye kasa fa wo say ye mpe. Kumasi Accra Expressway no. How many percentage of the road na wa santimemu? How many? Kojo Oponkuma, listen to him.
33 or 122 or something. Whichever way you keep it, Mr. Speaker, it is not in this bill. So again, the claim that this bill is going to enable people work around the clock, increase productivity and create more jobs, this bill does not respond to that. It's a fallacy. Mr. Speaker, now let me go to the issue of agencies. In their manifesto, they actually listed agencies that they were going to have work for 24 hours. DVLA, customs, etc., as has been mentioned. None of these agencies is mentioned in this. Not one. Not one. AG. Not one of these agencies is mentioned in this. But if indeed this bill is to compel government agencies to work around the clock, you should be listing them here. None of it is here. In fact, Mr. Speaker, if you read the functions of the authority that they have listed, please permit me to read the functions. Section 3. Promote the optimization of volume, variety, and quality of products produced in the country for domestic consumption and export. Is that 24-hour economy? Promote the development of micro, small, and medium-scale enterprise sector. Is that 24-hour economy? Promote the role of micro, small, and medium-scale enterprise. MBSSI was doing that. Is that 24-hour economy? The closest you will find is in subclause K, and it says propose the incentive regime applicable to companies operating in the 24-hour economy value chain, including fiscal and monetary incentives. What is the Finance Ministry doing? What is the Trade Ministry doing? So, Mr. Speaker, this authority they want to create, with the greatest of respect, is totally unnecessary if the purpose is to enable the economy function for 24 hours and allow people to work around the clock. The 133 they spoke about is nowhere here. The agencies they've mentioned politically on platforms is nowhere here in this bill. Mr. Speaker, the minister responsible for roads said thousands of jobs have already been created under the 24-hour economy. He said that a few minutes here ago. But out of respect for the rules, we did not want to rise up and challenge him. We would have been pleased if he had given us examples of those thousands of jobs that have been created under the 24-hour economy already. This is a house of records. How can you say that today there are thousands of jobs that have already been created under the 24-hour economy? Then why are your youth complaining that no jobs have been created? Thousands of jobs have already been created. Mr. Speaker, that's a palpable untruth. He went ahead to say that there are already contractors that are working 24 hours in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, I would have been happy if he had named one. We would have gone there at 2 a.m. with our cameras to find out if he's really working 24 hours around the clock. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. Mr. Speaker, the real reason for which they are promulgating this authority, and we have come to that view, is just to buy time. From January 2025 till February 2026, the 24-hour economy has become a hoax. And they know very well that it is not going to bear fruit. So what they are doing is creating an impression in the minds of Ghanaian youth that we are now creating an authority. The authority is working. They are now starting. It is coming. It is not coming anywhere. What they have put in this document will not create a 24-hour economy.
I am some Machi. Oh, Chairman Frederick Achiman. Oka fa Masedamano. Se Yaminshano. Na unshira wososo. Dr. Baumi Adamasi. Na ni remfimo.
Amen. Amen.
The rain film da. The rain film pa. Me anytime I can walk to her office, I just Samira Baumi amekwa kaino. So you have two gentlemen El Kwabri Easter. You need to appreciate them. Your good self and then Chairman Fred. Na minim say e ba ne sa so a e betra afoforo nyina so. Mo de na special. Mo nka 10 appointment per constituency no ho. Ndi Kwabri kwa de be say mo keka ko 12 because anyamesam ene Chairman Fred de ene de edaba bi eno ye bonus da nchen. Ansa na 10 number. Za de baba keka ho. You did a great job. Dr. Baumi Adamasi. I mean shamo pa. Kwabri fo nyina so Adamasi. Adamasi pa.
Onyeba
Yeni komo.
Onyeba Kwabri fo so Edawasi. Say wa make this bold statement. Na said yes ya ton kwabre no ehyem bo se enyame adoma Dr. Bawumia be president ebe ma kwabre ayekra behwe
sure
ebe ma anigi aba kwabre on say ye problem wo kwabre is say da bia na eka sase we say ohwe other constituencies ye ni appointment ministerial appointment kwabre ni enya bida na amafo kura ni constituency bi efe no kwabre kura but kakakakra mo boa me ye dede eka kwabre asem amene kwabre ye ni hwe kura no eha na ndi phone be ka say na kwabre east na na ko for kura say ye nto aba kura ye nya wonti menye kwan mai onim say mo amode boa me ye ton kwabre no ye ka constituencies omo benefit from roads in Ashanti region. Kwabre East might be number 2. Yes. Nana Daka Kufuor the second term ye benefited change will be because we hear rules now so far Kwabre ni bia be dia dance about let me say about 80% of our roads ye good nyina kotare akwan na ye de nyina apart from Antoa road and I say John Okrom o manti mi anwi sa akwan mi nu we say dia kan nyina roads na ye kan wasem nyina o say Nana Daka Kufuor de oye mayansa na woko but yeah nya akwanya yen kan ne mfa mo papa na baso and minim say eno achikura na nya ministerial appointment da wo Kwabre say she will be a minister na yen ti bi da ebe nya de compare say ohwe Kwabre first MP na anawa san different pon o nya ministerial appointment da na de compare Joseph first MP obey minister of foreign affairs me fin ni dino Kwabre second MP ona wo ko fin
Oseji
ona was Oseji Kwabre second MP ona ko fimpon wanya minister da na Joseph second MP Ajomi wanya minister Kwabre third MP Mame Sewa wanya minister afeni ani abre John Kuma ba no wanya ne de ti digidi na nyame ya de nya deputy minister ti minim se nyame ya doma inshallah 2028 ndi
Dr. Bawumia be hyemu ni munyam kese pa
ama Kwabre yeso ya ama Kwabre aye krabehwe na votes ni de ye be campaign ahodin with unity of purpose e de aboa ama Dr. Bawumia be president ama Kwabre East bosha Dr. Bawumia share onim say the whole Ghana constituency Dr. Bawumia buy or ka say ye manenye ye mfa nenye ye second MP member of parliament Kwabre East inti Kwabre ye wo two MPs honorable nyina Kwesi Champon and Dr. Bawumia now Dr. Bawumia as your second MP I just say the future is bright when the future of the man you know more Kwabre is the baby and say abania to we are setting examples say we are going to work with unity ye nhwe de okodi baby and I okodi baby obi ya adwenkyere obi a wotumi say ono obi side de ope nemu ye wie de ye nya fa odosonko enter Dr. Bawumia chi na de nkofo we yi the end is for ye pa na say MPP 4 ye see e kan bom pa na ya take wo mo one by one and is for betime nya baby agina when you born say ya wo hwe omba no ma bedwo manum ene e ba ya say na jobs no ma bia betum pon say free jobs and if want me my jobs ma bedwo manum 24-hour economy na ya no visa mo de so mo atena wo sa na da bia ne di afa de mo sa de bill sa be ko parliament mo be de ye ka mo si de bia nya lunch nwie ye lunch afa mo wi mo se mo fa nipa more than thousands of people am for more juma under 24-hour economy ko hwe de NDC for ne ye NDC for ni abre boys no o mani abre o mo kasa o mani abre obi ani abre obi a ware home even NDC for mpo ware home say they are not getting the jobs to do. Now what about the ordinary Ghanaian? I don't know why Ghanaian official MPP time no maybe an ko year man ntin wodi abufo se won to aba. Die yaf man adwuma kra ya gi na adwuma fini zama otifi. Na de wonya nya adwuma nye. People are struggling. And not what they are into hin ba. An ho kire abo mamu no e bi si da. Sika se mo ho eden. Na omo de omo na wo se na dollar atimi am na gi dollar no wuti bi kofa $490 million e pompigu into Ghana's forest mo a wo se wo manage economy no se be ya dollar ne bo no nye de enkoso artificial cosmetic way of managing economy we say we is it sustainable Now who got for anything now with your gum? It gets to a point that when you start dollars me for system anymore. How do you manage the economy? And they say good boy never can. And soon so baba mo be hubi. Media they make catch Ghana for say. When you say be no mo. And when you catch was say MPP party no. In some man for buffon semana I say ye kontokwan me catch was say because you say papa friend Louis Koza was say entokwa edu baby a eye e manipa akonya mane kan ne boso asem de ha o kasa wi a efi ni mu a won ne trans yenye nsisi a o mano kwa me yenye nsisi won wo le hye kwato ye agenda for nsem na the kind of unity eba party ni mu no won ba okra baje nsem ye be ka party na bom na ya match NDC for no boot for boot say 1 year de mamunya holiday sebe se huna ndisi fo di e wo mamu no ni adaje kura de behwe enti na mo afo ho adi na chief justice no mayi na di obi ya de yenka ho ase na de ye ko ho tokwa ene tokwa ni nyina sizi with unity no ye be omunsem omo no mo nyina no one by one ye de be fie ni ahwem ni akagisa zo mo one by one ni nyina ataga de ho de ekọ enti no 24-hour economy. And if I want to know maybe I shall now cast and some can I good ye. A 1240 was it 133? A Juma Bacon Nipa Miensa. Now we run 3 ships. A big quan of a big quay, you may be quanajo. Aquaco Yajuma. Now 7 will be what Tiffy. Number Cassas we are to the team. Ah, 1 to a man this quanaco headache. And we told to Obama, but someone on this 4 Kenya or Montiasie. Hwe nipa no 24-hour economy say coordinator say no gusita no ono kura 24-hour economy no won ti ase enso e na kwa koto no e na omo ye de omo pe sebe no ma hia e na omo ye Ghana ase e na ho kire sonko na aba Ghana for so enti e be se achie na mu yi ponya do say 4 years na bronya makoma na no se ba akokọ aka ba akoso e na kwema enche beba momienu so ntwen open na yen tutu e no ma ye ne yen kan homom na menim se 2028 no e no ma ndi fo ahya ahya ma na create we se omutimi nye na obi a oton obi o ye farmer se farmer je ni je tu aba ma ndisi nke se ye be tu aba ne nya 70 million per bag of cocoa cocoa ye be ton cocoa enya 70 million omudi America koto abama e oba na go for atu cocoa guom e dey 31 million propaganda e tro chantrama papa na another go for the year akuafo nyina no e koye sebe boni no dey akuafo ama akuafo bufu eto abatia ye mo ba ya cocoa no masa afa cocoa na fi 31 hono 32 e dey about 29 mate so e dey about 29
Mati so wi kwa mo san tia won kaso kra
ni pa ko kari kokoo ni wi a ye ntua ne ka na de ye omo ya kwan se kokoo ni ese egu o cha ni mu asa ya ha na value na se ko
tuwe a na
so wait ni bafo to the cocoa growing areas ne ko ti nsem omo kan I wish I can ki to aba anka Dr. Bawumia be president amafo obuofo na me kra Ghana for kwa ya me wanti na omu ni se joma wo baby papa bi dia ma Ghana for ana ni ere fia na amafo puse ebusie fu no because more disappointing what they throw abaji to me and more disappointing Ghana for enti ye be share Ghana for say yentwen ye no so ntwen na mum NDC for we are going to make them boot for boot to make sure say we provide them with a credible opposition.
Madam Chairman NS Kweku Aje Honum Enyamsem, welcome back from